Welcome to Nature Harmonic, a serene haven where the enchanting melodies of nature soothe your soul. Amid life's chaos, we believe in the profound connection between nature and inner peace. Our carefully curated content unveils nature's influence on mental well-being. Join us to explore the calming whispers of leaves, babbling brooks, chirping birds, and gentle winds. These natural harmonies transport you to tranquility, freeing your mind from daily stress. Discover diverse content from forest walks to ocean waves, each offering space for clarity and rejuvenation. Whether for meditation, sleep, or relaxation, Nature Harmonic is your sanctuary. Let nature's symphony guide your path to mindfulness and reduced stress. Subscribe today, where nature's beauty meets the serenity of your mind. Let nature's harmony set you free.